Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border width. And right now we'll be discussing about how to set a specific size for the right border width. So quickly, let's get to our document. As you can see, we're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about how to target our left border width, and right now we are going to target our right border width. Quickly, let's get back to our code and use something quickly. To target our border width, we are going to use the second value immediately. But one thing I want you to notice right here is that we are having 4 values inside our border width, but right here you are going to target the second value. The second value is your what? Is your right border width. So now let's target it so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's give this 2. When I specify 2 right here, let's reload our document. Can you see our document is now having what? It's now having this kind of little tiny border. So let's say I want to increase it now. Then I've got the place where it is. I can increase it to 50. When I increase it to 50, can you see it enlarged? When I give it 100%, 100 pixel, can you see it increase? Even when I give it 200, you are going to see it will increase. Can you see it increases? So that is benefit of targeting something specifically. Now I'm targeting the right border width. So as you can see, we are able to target the right border width using the second value. But the second value, if you target only the second value and you don't have all this one right here, definitely another thing is happening right here. Can you see? It's like you are targeting. Let me decrease this to 2 so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? The left and right at once is the one this one is going to work with. So we have discussed about this one before, so I'm just showing you because this one is not targeting only one width. It's just targeting this for the left and right at once. But this one, when you are having this 50 pixel right here, and you are having other sizes also, you specify them also, you must have 4 values just to target one value correctly right here. That's one thing about it that you see. Now let's say I target it again. I give it 2 now. When I give it 2 pixel right here, I'm able to target it only. So if you remove all these 2 right here, it's going to be targeting the both left and right at once. Can you see? So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. Make sure you practice this because practice makes perfect. Let me bring it back. Can you see? So anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye.